Alright, hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of the village transformation. So, I didn't do a lot more than last time, I think. I did add some more redness. Like, I do want to compare right now, because I don't want to. And I decided to add netherrack to some parts, because I was stupid and I didn't do it before. But I tried fixing the audio. I don't know why it wasn't working last time. But it was really weird, but I turned down the sound a lot because you don't really need to hear the blocks being placed and stuff. So that's that, I guess. I don't know. I had my friend help me with like that, and then he left because he said it was gonna take it too long. So here I am doing it all by myself again. Cool. So let's go ahead and put that in. There, okay. So I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I changed the pigs into soglins, I think. I just thought these two unbothered because I don't know what to do with them. But yeah, they turned into zombithiedlins. I didn't want them to be zombithied, but they just turned into them. So. Oh. Yeah, weird. Oh, okay, let's just go ahead and do this. I don't know why I wanted to do this once more. Like, I don't know why. I just really just felt like it. So, yeah. But anyways, I would have worked on it more yesterday, but like I said, I had to do a lot of stuff, so I couldn't really. I was good. I wouldn't. So also, I'm thinking about like. So, oh yeah, I still have to put the seed. I still have to show you the seed. What? The What? What happened? Who was capturing you guys? You need to leave. Alright, there. You are my capsies. I'm going to capture you. Just go ahead and move these all over one slot. Alright, there we go. Okay. I don't know what happened to you guys, but something happened. And that is like one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. Oh my god, that's a lot of apples. But yeah, so this side I'm gonna change all the like the water to lava, except like the fountain maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna change on this side, I'm just gonna turn that lava into water. Since you know, like red and blue and stuff. So yep. Alright. And I don't have anybody else online to help me too. So like I said yesterday, like no one's ever online in Minecraft. To be honest. Kind of annoying. Okay. But I would very much just say it's coming along. For sure. This is gonna be a lot harder on this side than that side. I think. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. But this is the harder side. Just go ahead and fill in all this dirt. Oh, very nice. Alright. Yeah, did any of you ever done something like this before? Because I know I have not done anything like this before. I'm normally not the one to do this. I normally just build like houses, like I said last time. Excuse me. So there we need to be. Doing this sort of thing. Okay. It is coming along though, it definitely is. I do like how it's looking so far. We're gonna change up the houses eventually as well. Bam, 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 boop, pop, pop, bam, pop. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. So I just had like netherite. It was like multiple blocks showing because that looks weird. So you just put netherite there, and there you go. So we're gonna have to add like a lot of netherite here. Just go ahead, just do some of that. Just go ahead and put these here now. You need to get out of here. Bam, bam, bam. Alright. Alright, how are we looking? Alright, there's still a lot left I got to do, but I'm pretty sure we got at least half. I think we got more than half done actually. At least for ground-wise, because we haven't done like village houses yet. Actually, let's go ahead and do the village houses real quick. Why not? Alright, let's just do this one first. So I'm gonna replace all the wood with this, obviously. If I can, you can do it. Place, thank you. Go ahead and break that out. Take that back. Put that. Nope, dang it. There we go, got it. Alright, just gonna go ahead and start with this part. Okay. That part you can't see, so that's okay. If it's anywhat visible, then we're gonna have to replace it. Oh, actually, hold up. Now that I think about it. Yeah, no, that is visible. And that's not the right way. Is that? No, that's not. That's sideways. Dang it, dude. Go down. There we go. That should be right. Go. Okay, that's... Is it? No, that's not the wrong way. Alright. Just gonna go place all this. Yeah, hush, man, hush. No one needs to hear you thinking. Go in the lava. There's no one even in here. Why do you want to go in here so bad? There's no one even in here. Oh, God. Alright. So this should do a couple more percentage-wise, I think. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and replace this stuff real quick, because it should be easy. Oh wait, what am I doing the cobble with? Did I think about cobble last time? Cobble just was everything? Hold on. Okay, yeah, no, I remember now. Alright, yeah, no, I know. Sometimes I did that wrong block, but I'm not that worried about that. To be honest. Okay, there we go. Go ahead, just take those off. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. But now looks like a radish, to be honest. It's like a light real radish to me. Let's go ahead. Put that back. That is sideways. There we go. Okay. Nope. Yep. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and switch out the planks with crimson planks. I guess you can do like the dye, or the, not the dye, like the windows, a different color also. And wait, is there? Wait, what should I do for like the? Oh wait, there is crimson doors. I forgot. Duh. Alright, so that takes care of the doors as well. So we also have to do the inside, which is gonna be kind of annoying, but oh well. Alright, go ahead and place all this. Go. Got to do these. Okay. Now I wonder why there aren't nether villagers. Like they could have like piglins inside instead of villagers. You know. Just a thought. Alright, let's just go ahead and break all these doors. Alright, so now hold up, let me just I'm gonna do some real quick. Just throw all that out there. Slash clear. Nope. Slash clear. Oh, now we gotta reorganize. Where are you? Here they are. Okay, there we go. So now let's go ahead and replace that. And replace that. Replace the door. Now you do the inside. Oh, we gotta replace the bed also. And the carpet. Is there a pressure plate through this? Through the trap door or the slab? Or a pressure plate. Where would that be? Over here? Pressure? Oh, there is. What do you know? Alright. So now let's go add all the other stuff back. Red bed. And red carpet. Okay. Let's replace all this. I'm pretty sure there's like a ladder over here or something. Like right here? Pretty sure there was like a ladder. I don't know, well there come you one right now, so. Alright. Let's get a torch to place some torch. Oh wait, we gotta do all this. Hold up. Okay. Fix that later. Dude, I keep on breaking things that I don't want to break. Alright, so let's also do the glass. We can do that red. Oh, come on. Are you for real? What was this? Was this? I think. Oh, well, it's gonna be that now, so. Alright. Let's go do. This is. Hold up. Alright, let's go ahead and change all this. Ugh. What are you doing? Oh, dude, there's a bunch of upside down ones. Of course there are. Alright, let's go ahead and switch that out. Alright, well, hey, you know, we got the front side done. So you just look at the front, you know, it looks transformed, so that's a plus, I guess. Go ahead and pull these out of here. Put these ones in here. There we go. Wait, there we go. Alright, so far this is taking me a day. So I'm gonna like put like a lap. No, never mind. That's how lapse. It's gonna say I'm gonna put a sign up whenever I'm done to say how many days it took me to do this. So far we're at 1 day. Or actually, I guess we're at 2 days technically, but it's not like full days. So I guess it's just 1 day. Not really sure. But alright, there we go. Okay. Is that good? Did we do a house? I believe we had transformed one. Oh wait, I missed something. There we go. Is that it? Honestly, I think this looks a lot cooler than just a normal house, I'm not gonna lie. I like how this looks like a lot. Alright, house number 2. Yay. Boink, boink, boink. There we go. Nope. Yep, okay. Very cool. Oh, yes. Got some of this to do. So I'm gonna place those upright. I'm gonna place those, and then place them upright. Nope, upright, yep. Go ahead, just replace this door. Did I do that? Okay, replace this door. Replace the glass. Okay, and okay, replace the torch with a redstone torch. Alright. Let's go ahead and start doing. Oh god, no, no! Oh my god. I need lava. Lava. Okay, there we go. That was annoying. Probably really annoying, but oh well. At least we don't have to deal with that ever again. Nope, wrong block. There we go. Looks like we're gonna need trapdoors for this build. Ah! Epic building skills. Dang it. Place the torch in. Alrighty. We can go ahead and replace this one. We can go ahead and replace this. This house has a lot of cobblestone. Alright, good. There's no more water on this side. We're only gonna replace it if it has a variant, a different variant. Like, we're not gonna replace a crafting table and barrel because it doesn't have the variant of this type of block. So those are gonna stay the same. I was trying to do that thing I was talking about yesterday. It's like throw instant replace thing. Dang it. Dang it. There we go. 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 Oh, dang it. I did the same one twice. Okay. Oh, yes, okay. There we go. Nope, dang it. Dude, sounds like... Dude, the Phantom sound a lot like the Ender Dragon. I don't know why. Dude, I love the Minecraft music so much. It's so calming. It's really a good vibe. Oh, wait, how did this look? Was it like... Oh, wait, how does it look like? Okay, hold up. Wait. So, oh, okay, these don't do that one. Got it. Alright, there we go. Now, let's go do the other side. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Let's go do the roof. Oh, now I gotta do this setup. There we go. Okay. Now I gotta do this. Oh, dang it. Oh, I need to get the torch out again. Maybe I should just leave the torch out for now. Well, no, I don't. Yeah, I'll just switch it out right now. Okay. So, place all of that. Nope. Why did that break? Alright, now we need the trap door for this. So let's go. No, not that. The trap door. Oh wait, no, I can't do this one yet. No, I have to put down this first. There we go. Now, gotta replace this. Put that there. Bam. Bam. Did they open the same way? No, but whatever. Okay, now I gotta do all this right here. Nope. Yes, okay. And we gotta do this. Ugh. Is that everything? I believe so. I believe now we have transformed 2 houses successfully. Transformed 2 houses into Nether theme. Lol. Oh boy, this is really interesting. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Tune in next time to see more progress. Goodbye.